Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share my crafty dare for this week. We're an Instagram group that we share what we create with 3 items that the group challenges each of us to do. So if you are interested, please contact Tina. Tell him thank you here on Instagram. Contact her on Instagram. Your channel or your page needs to be active. Um, so that's the requirement and crafty. So um, we have some new members that have joined us. So yeah, go check us out at #CraftyDares, all lowercase. I know in my little thumbnail, it's all caps, and I need to change that. So, yeah, so let me show you what I created, or what I used. I used this Spellbinders, it's called Smitten Mitten, and I never knew that Spellbinders had this type of die. I thought it was just the regular Thinlit dies, but they obviously do. I used this embossing folder from Tereese, and I used this paper pad that's been in my stash forever. I think it's a 2014 paper pad. So it is a really cute pad. I need to use up my papers. And then I used some other elements that are from the Dollar Tree, and I think from Walmart and Target. Okay. All right. So here is my mitten. I cut out the mitten from some packaging. I save my cardboard packaging. Like I'll show you like this. And this is from Firefly, and I just keep it because it's big enough where I can die cut, big items. And I cut the mitten out twice, so it's nice and sturdy. And with the layered cardstock, it just makes it like chipboard. So I did that. I layered the pattern paper, and even on the top here, I inked the edges with, distress ink. Added the sprig from Dollar Tree. I think this wax cording is from Walmart. And then this says Winter Wonderland, and I think this is from Target from years ago. I still have a bunch of them. I bought tons. And then I added this Dollar Tree lace, even in the background here. I added it. And then this is another piece of the pattern paper from that paper pad. And then here I embossed the craft cardstock, and I inked it up so you can see the embossing. I added this brown button from my stash. I've seen a lot of women, I mean, a lot of crafters do this, and not just, and I've been inspired by them. So yeah, this is my crafty dare for this week. Come and join us. If you want to participate, you're more than welcome. Just #CraftyDares, all lowercase. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.